Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fish and chips right in your own kitchen. We'll start by selecting the perfect fish, like cod or haddock, ensuring it's fresh and firm. Patting your fish completely dry is a crucial first step for that ultimate crispiness. Then, we'll season it well with salt and pepper, preparing it for its flavorful journey. Get ready to create a classic takeaway favorite at home. Next, let's craft that iconic crispy batter. We'll combine self-rising flour with very cold, sparkling water to achieve a light, airy texture. Dip each fish fillet, ensuring it's fully coated for an even fry. Then, carefully lower the battered fish into oil heated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through, usually taking about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Now for the star alongside the fish, the chips. Choose starchy potatoes like russets for the best texture. Cut them into uniform half-inch thick chips to ensure they cook evenly. We'll begin with a blanching step, frying them in oil at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This pre-cook makes them wonderfully fluffy inside, ready for their final crisping. Finally, it's time to get those chips perfectly crisp. Increase your oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the blanched chips again until they are deeply golden and irresistibly crunchy. Once everything is cooked, serve your homemade fish and chips immediately. A squeeze of fresh lemon and a dollop of tartar sauce are the perfect accompaniments to this classic, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.